Welcome back to ACS Fall 2025. I'm your host, Katie McGee. The expo floor is officially open for business.
The expo is a hub of activity for the ACS meeting. We have a variety of things. There's the ACS store, you can get your swag. You've also got the chance to check out a lot of different technology from all of our vendors.
Loving it. I think that it's awesome. It's really nice to be able to interface with all these companies that are here.
People are very kind and open and welcoming, and so I've just been able to kind of walk around and ask my questions.
At the center of it all, the ACS booth, featuring the mole, the ACS store, and so much more.
The ACS booth is the one-stop shop to learn about everything that ACS has to offer attendees. ACS publications, CAS, CNN, membership, scientific advancement, education, and member insurance. We also have the ACS booth theater as well as the ACS store. It's chlorine and tungsten. They're just elements that I favor typically. Chlorine because I hate salts in my mass spec, and tungsten because I think it's fun and dense. I chose my favorites, and maybe next year I'll get more, and I'll keep adding as the years progress.
Yeah, I buy this animal in Brazil we call catita.
A global community of chemists and science enthusiasts are here in Washington, D.C., including the talented 12 class of 2025. The T12 Symposium features TED-style talks from a dozen up-and-coming scientists highlighted in a special issue of C&EN.
We work in academia, industry, and government, and we believe that they are doing really groundbreaking work that could have kind of a big real-world impact.
It shows the breadth of what's going on in chemistry and all the exciting work that chemists are doing, especially young chemists who are early in their career.
It's a pretty incredible honor. It's one of those things that I've seen so many people I respect and admire get it in previous years, and so to be named one is pretty surprising and just really exciting.
I remember screaming and immediately calling my mom. You know, you always call your mom. I was very thankful to have my parents a part of this journey. I've always dreamt that I would have an opportunity to make an impact into the world, and and chemistry was the way that I found myself doing that, and so very honored and happy to be a part of the community.
We heard from the Kavli Foundation Emerging Leader in Chemistry speaker, Professor Sahika Anal.
I'm extremely excited. It's such a privilege to be here today. I work in a field that's called bioelectronics. We deal with organic electronic materials. These are polymers that are electrically active, and then we build electronic devices using these polymers, and then those devices are used for disease diagnostics or therapeutics.
While many attendees discovered the latest in science and chemistry at sessions like exploring the role of quantum computing in advancing drug discovery, part of the new pharma community programming.
Over the summer, I was at Dr. Matsika's lab at Temple University, and we were studying computational chemistry, and I thought this was a good gateway from that. I'm hoping that I get to meet some cool professors and learn at least 5 new things.
There's always something happening at ACS Fall 2025. Join us for more tomorrow. In Washington, D.C., I'm Katie McGee.